What's up guys, Nokia 800 Tough feature phone was announced at the IFA 2019 event in Berlin along with Nokia 7.2, Nokia 6.2, Nokia 2720 Flip, Nokia 110 2019 phones. Now the Nokia 800 Tough is expected to launch in India and other countries soon. Nokia Power User reports that a retailer in India has started teasing the availability of the Nokia 800 Tough. The phone is now listed by the retailer Sangeeta Mobiles as coming soon. However, there is no word of exact launch date of the Nokia 800 Tough. It is expected that this feature phone will be launched in November itself. Nokia 800 Tough comes with a price tag of 8,700 rupees in India, which is approximately 109 euros, and comes in two color variants, black steel and desert sand. The feature phone comes with a 2.4-inch QVGA display and it is powered by Qualcomm 205 mobile platform. It is packed by a 4 GB of internal storage which can be expanded up to 32 GB, and the company claims it can last up to 43 days. The rugged feature phone is IP68 rated, making it water and dust resistant. It is MIL STD HNG standard certified, making it a rugged device that can handle drops, pressure, thermal temperature and more. There is a loop at the bottom of the phone through which one can attach it to bags or belts. It is built on KaiOS and it comes with a preloaded apps like Facebook, WhatsApp and more. So these are the details we have about the Nokia 800 Tough phone. And what do you feel about this phone? Please comment in the comment section. Do share this video among your friends. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.